Want to start your day with a breakfast that helps you burn fat without feeling hungry later? Broccoli, oats, and cheese combo is the answer. How can a simple combo of broccoli and oats help you burn fat faster? Let's break it down. What makes this recipe both fat-burning and delicious? It's all about the balance of ingredients. Let's take a look. Broccoli, 300 to 400 grams. Broccoli is packed with fiber, which is essential for digestion and fat loss. It's also high in vitamin C and K, boosting overall health while aiding fat burning. Oats, 1 cup oats are a staple for anyone looking to lose weight. They provide a steady energy source and are a fantastic way to regulate hunger. 2 eggs. Eggs are high in protein, which helps your body build muscle while keeping you full. They are also a source of healthy fats, giving you energy without spiking blood sugar. 1 cup, or 200 grams, of Gouda or mozzarella cheese. Cheese adds flavor and richness to the dish without overloading on calories. It provides healthy fats and protein, both of which support muscle maintenance, crucial for long-term weight loss. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic is great for flavor, but it also has anti-inflammatory and fat-burning properties. Studies show that garlic can help regulate fat cells in the body. 1 zucchini, low-calorie and nutrient-dense. Zucchini adds bulk to the meal, helping you feel full without adding many calories. Half an onion. Onions contain antioxidants that support fat burning and overall health. Sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon. Adding sesame seeds provides healthy fats and fiber, plus a bit of crunch that contrasts nicely with the soft texture of the baked dish. Chives, salt, and pepper. These simple seasonings boost flavor without adding unnecessary calories. Olive oil. A drizzle of olive oil helps with cooking and adds heart-healthy fats that promote fat loss. Meal? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Prepare the broccoli. Start by breaking the broccoli into small florets. This ensures it cooks evenly and mixes well with the other ingredients. Rinse it well to remove any dirt, and then blanch it by boiling in salted water for 3 minutes. Blanching retains the bright green color and keeps the broccoli crunchy but tender. Drain and set aside. Step 2. Prepare the dry mix. While the broccoli is cooking, grab a bowl and mix the dry ingredients. 1 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of pepper, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. The baking powder will give the mixture a little lift as it bakes, creating a lighter texture. Step 3. Prepare the wet mix. Crack 2 eggs into another bowl and whisk them well. Eggs are a great source of protein, helping you feel full and aiding in muscle repair after workouts. To the eggs, add finely chopped garlic, 1 to 2 cloves, half a teaspoon of salt, and some chopped chives. Whisk it all together for a flavorful, protein-packed base. Step 4. Combine and add cheese. Now take your blanched broccoli and lightly mash it with a spoon. Don't overdo it, you still want a bit of texture. Add the mashed broccoli to the wet mixture and mix gently. Next, fold in 200 grams of Gouda or mozzarella cheese. Cheese adds a creamy texture and richness to the dish, while also giving you a good dose of calcium and protein. Step 5. Bake it. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a baking dish with olive oil to prevent sticking, or line it with parchment paper for easier cleanup. Pour the mixture into the dish and spread it evenly. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the mixture is firm to the touch. Step 6. Garnish and serve. Once your dish is baked, let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh parsley or celery for an extra crunch and freshness. Cut into squares or slices and enjoy hot. Nutritional benefits of each ingredient. Wondering why this recipe is perfect for burning fat? Let's dive into the science behind the ingredients. Broccoli. Rich in fiber, broccoli keeps you full and promotes healthy digestion, which is crucial for weight loss. Its high antioxidant content also supports fat metabolism. Oats. Oats are a slow-releasing carb that keeps your blood sugar stable. This prevents hunger spikes and reduces cravings, both key to staying on track with your fat loss goals. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein and healthy fats which help maintain muscle mass, essential for burning calories even when you're not exercising. Cheese. Adding cheese in moderation provides flavor and creaminess, while offering a good amount of protein and healthy fats, both of which aid in weight management. Olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats, olive oil helps promote fat loss by reducing belly fat and supporting heart health. Garlic. This superfood has been shown to regulate blood sugar levels and promote fat loss, making it an excellent addition to any weight loss recipe. What you've learned and how to use this recipe. Now you've learned how to create a simple, delicious, and fat-burning breakfast using just a few key ingredients. This recipe combines fiber, protein, and healthy fats in a way that promotes satiety and fuels your body for fat loss. Remember, this isn't just about eating fewer calories, it's about eating smarter. When you give your body the right mix of nutrients, like in this recipe, you can enjoy your food and burn fat simultaneously. Try this out for breakfast, and if you want more healthy fat-burning recipes, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy fat-burning recipes like this. You can also click on the videos on the screen for more useful information. Thanks for watching.